Hello my friends, I'm coming to you today from my backyard and I just wanted to show you how I store my plants and keep track of my plants. So this is my bag called garden plants and all I do is when I buy something I stick the tags that come on the plant in here. I only keep one per plant and I shove them in here, and it's really helpful if I ever have to go back and reference what's on the tag. I have them here. So what I also wanted to show you in light of the new course coming out is this bag. And this is I call it my casualties bag. And it's the same thing, Ziploc bag. But these are all of the plants that I've killed for various reasons throughout my garden. So it was pretty eye-opening. I went through this bag today, which I haven't in quite a while, and I counted up all the plants, and there's about 40 varieties in here. And on top of the 40 varieties, I only keep one tag, so it's possible I planted 3, 5, 7 of some of these plants. So I just wanted to bring that up. Like, I have even more in this bag, but this bag here is wasted money. And it's a shame. Like, it's really sad. I mean, some of these plants are easy plants to care for. I just put them in the wrong place. Some of them grew a lot bigger than I thought they would because I didn't plan enough space for them, so I had to get rid of them. Some of them just plain died, and I don't know why. So if you add up the price of all of these plants, I can't even really give you a number. It's probably over $1,000, maybe up to $2,000 in money I've spent. So when you're thinking about buying a course and fast tracking your learning, just keep things like this in mind, the casualties, all the money that you're wasting. I mean, plants are an investment. This is an investment too. This is well over $2,000 worth of plants that I've put in my garden that I'm caring for. So while it may seem silly to buy a course just for your own selfish purposes of wanting a beautiful garden, I think that it's well worth the money to save yourself from plant casualties and stress and just not understanding. I've been at this house for 7 years now, and I feel like my gardens are 2 or 3 years old, and that's because literally for the first 4 years I planted things, I struggled. I had to tear them out, change things around. I lost a lot of plants in the process, and it was all because I didn't really have a step-by-step process to follow. So just keep that in mind. Enrollment's open. Keep it in mind, and I hope to see you in there. I can't wait to meet all of you.